Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to quickly start with the fastest way to turn it on. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, to find the eye comfort icon. Simply tap on it and let me pick always on. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. In a second I'll show you how to customize it. However, let me show you how to turn it off. Nothing easier, just find it again and tap on it so the device will turn the screen back to its normal state. If you want to customize this mode, you can either tap on this icon and hold it, so your device should transfer you to proper section. However, I'd like to show you a full path in case that your device will not transfer you there. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on display and brightness. Now let's tap on eye comfort and let me turn it on. Alright, here we've got the screen color temperature section where we can change it to the cooler option, and as you can see the mode faded a little bit, and the warmest on the right, so the screen is almost orange. Here you've got the display effect, so you can still display the colors, but they will be affected a little bit by the mode, or you can display everything in the monochromatic way. It's up to you, of course. You can also schedule the features, so you can tap on custom, and as you can see, you can freely pick the start and the end time, so your device will apply those hours and use the mode whenever you will be between the start and the end time. It's up to you basically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.